string with your hook hanging underneath the aeroplane and then reel it in. That's how you communicate with aircraft. It's before radio. Designed by Teddy Petter. It went on to, it was fitted with slats and flaps. Very large lift augmentation starters. They were very slowly. They landed very short distances, but it was also quite heavy. So it wasn't quite as manoeuvrable as it needed to be. Now you saw the Oster later, and those are the sort of aircraft that took over for the rest of the war. Put into second line duties. You'll see the little stub wings sticking out from the undercarriage wheel spats. On this aircraft they're carrying light anti-personnel bombs, 20 or 50 pound bombs. That. Lysander did go on to do something extraordinary during the Second World War. They were operated by the SOE, the Special Operations Executive, painted all black. And it really is. There's only one other flight in the UK, and that's an all black Mark III, which was used by SOE. He said that the 11th fighter, Culture, you see the writing on the wall. The Germans completely got out early, came to England, and immediately volunteered his services for the RAF. Now you would have thought we were short of fighter pilots, they would have put him in a fighter. But because he was a very, very lucky man, but a remarkably brave man, of course, when the Lysanders came back to the UK, what was left of them, they just put on to target duties, complained and complained and complained, and they finally transferred him to a Hurricane Squadron, and then he ended up flying Mustang. Now, if you look very carefully, when he turns back towards us, you can see just what a massive cockpit that is. It runs from just behind the engine all the way to the back, about halfway along the rear. You see there, it really is quite manoeuvrable. It just wasn't manoeuvrable enough. As I said, very appropriate aircraft to have here at battle display. Of course, that was its main job. Well, its original intended job.